baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Monday. I have a few errands to run. I need to go pick up some seafood for my mukbang today. If you guys are new here, I have a seafood mukbang channel, Eating Pretty Mukbangs. I record on that channel on Mondays and Fridays. So if you guys want to, come check me out on that channel. Right now I'm getting ready to run to pick the stuff up for today's video, and then I want to stop by Ulta and Sephora to pick up a few things. And that's pretty much all I have planned for today. So of course I'll show you guys everything when I get back.
Don't take it. Take it. Just don't be.
So I just left the store. So I just picked up some corn on the cob, lemon, roasted garlic, Hillshire Farm beef sausage, Florida seasoning, potato, crawfish, mussels, Dungeness crab, snow crab. So I'm getting ready to prepare my seafood for today, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done.
Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding.
Okay, so I have you guys in the studio. I want to show you guys a few things that I picked up. I ordered this from Amazon. It's just one of those digital LED alarm clocks. So I'm gonna plug it up so you guys can see how it looks. I actually got this for my son's room here. So this is how it looks. So this is super nice. So I just have to set it up. Take some, I'm not gonna take this off just yet. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna have to set the time, obviously. But yeah, it's really cool. And I picked up the Peter Thomas Roth mask. Y'all know that I use the eye patches from Peter Thomas Roth. So this one just has 4 different masks in it, and this was only $58 for all 4. So let's look at the size. So I'm super excited to try these. And then I found the Shiseido sunscreen. So this is how it looks. I have my lamp on that's over my stand over here, so just excuse that light. I know it's a little weird, but yeah, this is the Shiseido sunscreen, and this one was $52. So that is everything that I picked up. Good morning, y'all. Today is Tuesday. It is 7:02. I'm running late. I gotta go to the gym. I'm supposed to be in the gym at 7 o'clock. So I got all my stuff, my AirPods. I just took my pre-workout. Let me put on my watch. My husband left his wallet, if you're watching this. So I'm gonna have to take his wallet to his job because I would hate for him to get pulled over and don't have his license or something crazy. So let's get this workout on. Let's go. This is something that I got yesterday from Amazon. It's just a spinning organizer. So it just spins like this. So I just put some skincare on here, but I thought that this was super cool. So it has like a little spot for your brushes, and then you can control like how high or low you want your racks to be. So yeah, I just thought that this was so cool for my skincare. So I'll have the link in the description box below for you girls. I also bought this Morphe foundation yesterday from Ulta. I forgot to show y'all this last night. And I got deep 37 and it's too dark for me, so I have to take this back. And I also tried the Butter Gloss by NYX. This was another recommendation from Jeronica, and this is the color, I think is Madeline or Madeline. It is so pretty, y'all. I bought 2 of them, and y'all already know when I like something, I have to buy backups. So I'll be going back. So by the time you guys see this video, I'll have all mine. So I'll show you, once I put my makeup on and stuff, I'll show you guys how it looks on me. But this is like the perfect nude for me. I love this. It's so pretty. So y'all go grab y'all some if y'all like, you know, nice nude lips. Because y'all know I like to have like a nude lip with gloss. And this is like perfect. This is the beard butter that my husband uses. So if your husband or your man has a beard, get this. It smells so bomb. I found one. And there's only one left. This one, and this is this one right here. So I like this. All right, so does it come with the coming to the outdoor area in Target, and these pillows right here are just so cute. Look at this. They're so cute. I look at these every time I come in here. But they're just a little too big for my chairs, but they're so cute. And then this is something else. I want to get this, but I just don't like the way that this glass looks. It's not clear. See all those little bubbles? I don't like that. But I love this. It's so cute. So they have this size here, and then this one. I just hate all the bubbles in the glass. I just don't like the way that that looks. But it's really cute to go on top of my table on a patio. So cute. Okay, y'all, so I just finished messing around with my coffee table a little bit. I added my pillow back to my chase because I took it off for a while. And also, I get a lot of questions about my curtains. I have them linked on my Amazon account if you guys are interested. But the only thing that I changed up is my table. Y'all know everything else. All of this has always been like this, but I always switch up my table if you guys are new here. So I just added my candle holder, and then I brought my geode bowl back up here, set it on top of a coffee table book, the at 100. And then this is just a magazine. And then I'm just having some wine, kind of. I kind of did this for TikTok. I put the coaster down here because that's the page that I have it on, this CB2 magazine. And it just looked cute for TikTok. So yeah, but this is what the table's looking like for this week. And I love it. Okay, y'all, so I made it back home. I have a few things that I want to show you guys that I picked up from Target. The dress that I have on now, and then I bought these really cute jeans, so I have to show y'all. Excuse the noise. They're doing landscape, which they do landscape every single day. I understand they want to keep the community looking good, but gosh, every day, like. But okay, I want to show y'all this lip gloss. It's so cute. Yes, I did buy, how many did I buy? 5. Look at this. Let me turn my light down so y'all can see. Like how perfect. Look at this. It looks so good. It's like perfect. I love it. And then I'll put my little clear gloss on. Let me see. Okay, and then I'll put my clear gloss over it. And I like to wear Ruby Kisses crystal gloss. I've been wearing this for years. It's nice and thick, and it's only like $2. But look at this, y'all. It looks so good. I'm so happy with it. So here is the first dress. I got this dress from Target, and it's just a slip dress. And I had to get this dress in an extra large because that's the biggest size that they had available. I wanted a large, but I still really like the way that it looked. Let me put y'all down a little bit. So it's really flowy at the bottom. But I do wish that it was a large, but I do like how flowy it is. So I do have 2 slip dresses, but they don't have any stretch in it. This material is really stretchy. I started to get a medium. I'm happy that I didn't because it probably would have hugged me a little too much. I love the way slip dresses look with tennis shoes. They just look so cute to me, but this dress you can definitely dress up or down. What I did was I went online and I ordered 3 more. I'm gonna keep the black in this size because like I said, it's still really nice and I do like it. I'm gonna keep the black one in the extra large, but I went online and I ordered, they have a lavender one, an orange one, and I ordered the white one. And is that it? Yeah, and they're only available online, so I ordered those. They should be here, I think, on the 13th. So this dress is so cute. You guys can probably see the lipstick a little bit better, but it is so cute. I love it. There's the Nespresso machine. This is the one that I chose. Well, I really didn't have a choice. This is the only one they had left, so hopefully I like it. And it comes with 12 of the capsules, and then you have to go on the website to order more. But I have seen them on Amazon, so I'm not too sure which ones come in the box, so we'll find out together. Okay, so it has the instructions. What is this? I'm not too sure. Okay, so here is the capsules, and then here's the machine. Okay, y'all, so I am gonna put everything together, and then I'll probably have my first cup with you guys on the next vlog. I'm getting ready to go meet one of my girlfriends for lunch. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IamSharikaB, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.